Costa Rica, a land of breathtaking nature and the embodiment of Pura Vida, pure life, captivates visitors with its commitment to environmental preservation and thriving ecotourism. The Monteverde Cloud Forest, with its mist-shrouded canopies and rich biodiversity, offers a mystical experience amidst the lush greenery. Manuel Antonio National Park entices with its pristine beaches, diverse wildlife, and vibrant coral reefs. The Arenal Volcano, with its majestic presence and thermal hot springs, provides both relaxation and adventure. Costa Rica's commitment to sustainable practices is evident in its numerous national parks, protected reserves, and eco-friendly accommodations. The country's warm and welcoming people embrace the Pura Vida lifestyle, emphasizing a relaxed and positive outlook on life. Costa Rican cuisine delights with its fresh tropical fruits, gallo pinto, rice and beans, and mouthwatering seafood. The country's dedication to conservation is reflected in its numerous efforts to protect endangered species like sea turtles and its promotion of responsible tourism practices. Whether it's ziplining through the rainforest canopy, surfing in world-class waves, or immersing oneself in the healing powers of natural hot springs, Costa Rica offers endless opportunities for adventure and relaxation. With its blend of breathtaking nature, commitment to sustainability, and the Pura Vida way of life, Costa Rica invites travelers to immerse themselves in its natural wonders, embrace the joy of simple living, and create unforgettable memories in this vibrant Central American paradise. Subscribe or follow for more interesting places to visit.